the hell is going on? Okay, so I just don't have the liver to take USD ZAR alone. So I usually just make sure that I have other trades open, right? So maybe I will have like Nasdaq and GBPUSD or USD CAD open, and then I'll just make sure that I take just a bit of USD ZAR, right? So should that USD ZAR screw me over, I know for a fact that I still have other profits to kick me up, or to keep me going. But I enter USD ZAR knowing for a fact where the trend is going. Do you know what I mean? Because I feel like if you take it alone, those spikes and stuff can just mess you up. So we were on Nasdaq. Let me just open my other trades that are running so I can keep track. What's this? Oh. December, it's a good month to trade. I mean, for some time, yes. Live from Spain. Oh, cute. Limpopo is here. Live from Zambia. Oh, wow. We've got Zambia in the house. We've got Limpopo. And I think we've got one Spain. How cute. Sorry, guys. I just want to open some of my trades that are running just so I can keep up. Because I had my entries were a bit too early. We're about to touch on Nasdaq again, baby. How Gandhi? Cape Town is in the building. Hi, woman. How are you? Hey, Queen Nasdaq. Those braces look good on ya. Smile, please. Love from Tanzania. Thank you for being a real female minto. Guys, sorry. I'm just trying to open some of my trades. Because I want to make sure that as I analyze, I keep up with you guys. Because my entries were a bit too early. What the hell? Oh, nice. Love from Poland. Oh, wow. Cute. You guys are making... Oh, great. Let's see. Gold. I need to hop... Okay, so I'm just about to add more trades on gold. Wow. Nice. Guys, please check how perfect... Okay, but no, it's not going to make relevance. Okay, let me just add more gold. Sorry. Let's go. Great. Okay, let's... my back. Okay, let's Nasdaq. I just need to move my laptop. Okay. I'm going to move my laptop closer to where I am. So this idiot can charge. Gosh, guys, working in bed in this weather is probably the best thing that has ever happened to me. If we can bring this close. Okay. Let us see if we're on the right track. So, I said to you guys... my back. Okay. Let's Nasdaq. Yes. Okay, cool. Let's Nasdaq. Yes, I said let's Nasdaq. Let me shoot first how things are moving that side. Screw it. It's gonna come back to our direction. Okay, Nasdaq. So we were on. Start over. It's too much. But anyway. We were on a daily time frame, Shandis. Okay, so on the daily time frame, I obviously did pick up the most important zones that I can see with my eyes. I can already see we have something here, The fact that these ones pulled up and were resisted by something means that there's a zone of sensitivity here, which explains why these ones also couldn't break, which explains the closing of this candle and this candle, which now explains why this candle is decreasing in size. Nah? It obviously has to respect the zone of sensitivity. And if we go on a smaller time frame, excuse me, being an H4, we can already tell that this candle has now respected the zone. Okay, so I'm already saying that if we went up, we had a pullback. I just want to mark this pullback here. I just want to mark why this pullback came to an end here, you know. I usually just use a different color to avoid confusion. Okay, let's say blue. We had, okay, this yesterday had to come down, respect the zone of sensitivity. We came up and then it came down. So I want to mark this zone where the pullback had started. Because remember, the pullback is started by a reversal candlestick. It is ended by a reversal candlestick. And then I just want to go to H1 just to get a bit of insight on what's going on. Nice. I can already see that, okay, this zone is of importance. I drew it on my H4. I can already see that, okay, it makes sense. So why did the market move here? This is a zone of sensitivity, right? That was obviously drawn on daily. But now if we go to H4, it makes a bit more sense. It makes a bit more sense on H4. Do you see? But now I'm already predicting that the market has to push all the way up here. Let's see if we can maybe pick up a channel within this. Because I remember seeing a channel yesterday. But anyway, I can already draw my trend line. So I usually enter Nasdaq on my H1. So meaning your trend line will be drawn on H1. Nah? You draw your trend line on your execution time frame. You cannot say you're about to... Okay, you cannot say you're about to... you're not going to draw a trend line on H1 and then go enter on 1 minute. Because now what happens is you're going to find something like this. And you're going to be like, oh my God, it has already broken. And trust you me, it has not broken. It's probably just leaving a wick for H1. So now also guys, keep track of time. It's 13:13. Why is my trend line relevant? Sorry. Why is my trend line relevant? 0.1, 0.2, pullback, and now I know for a fact that anything aside from this has to be an entry level. So if you look at this, remember we enter per pullback. We had a pullback. This pullback literally ran to our previous zone. We have a pullback now that confidently ran to our previous zone. So I am not saying I would have probably started... I just have gold and USDCHF and stuff open. But I would have already started placing my buying trades here. You know, but now remember we are so close to our zone of sensitivity. So you want to be careful because should this run here, it might come back to hit again and push above. But now let's have just a bit of insight on what's going on our H4. If you can see, H4 is already leaving a wick off of the previous zone of sensitivity. So we could be very valid with our buys right now. You know? So these little 0.01, say 30 or 20 or 15 or whatever, would have played a big role here. It's starting to reject. Do you see what I mean? Clean. Wow. But now keep track of time. You know, keep track of time. I don't know if you guys have any questions, maybe. Woof. Keep track of time. So you see what I mean? If you now draw this on a big time frame and now confirm and breakouts on a small time frame, it's gonna cause so much confusion, guys, because now it's gonna make it look like this is a false breakout. Meanwhile, on a bigger time frame, this thing was literally just giving you a perfect entry, which is why I said 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, enter. So if that's the case, let's see how USDCHF has been moving, because we concluded on a sell on USDCHF. You see, remember when USDCHF was happening, we were literally on this candle, so we can already see it making its way down. That's why I said to you guys, if I analyze USDCHF, I don't have to analyze Nasdaq. So we cute. Yeah, everything's looking good so far. So now remember also, don't be scared. Have a bit of a lever, because anything that plays roundabout a zone of sensitivity or a zone where it obviously had to turn in the past, it's not just going to move past that zone. It will reject, it will fight its way through that zone. So you just need to have a bit of patience. Also keeping in mind that it's 1 o'clock now. We have 1530s coming, so the market has to make its way to the best comfortable zone for it to be able to perform when 1530 hits. Yes, sirs. What do you trade the most? Everything. Oh, at this point, I don't even know. So let's see. I want to show you guys something. 139. I don't even... What happened to my account here? What do you think of systems? Systems do work. There's different systems for different people and different things. So it just depends on what system you use. I know a lot of people that do use systems and it does work. I personally haven't used one because I don't know where to find one and I don't understand. But also remember, guys, we develop, the same way how COVID hit the country and we had to now use different ways to do different things, like interviews are being done online, etc, etc, etc. I think there's a similar concept with systems, because now remember, there's so many currencies to analyze, there's so many things to do. I know that systems are basically a coding, where it just simplifies a way of doing things. It's not like a system just came out of nowhere and someone just started using it. That thing was coded based on a strategy. Do you know what I mean? So, yeah, let's go check that Nasdaq. Where is it? It is oh so simple. So this is what's currently happening with that Nasdaq. What did I say to you guys? Relax. It won't just go up. It's very near to a zone of sensitivity. So relax. GBP USD is similar to Nasdaq. If you analyze USDCHF, you don't have to analyze what? Nasdaq. No, I never said anything about Nasdaq and USDCHF. So please don't put words in my mouth. Does Mama Nas system work? Yes, it does. Nasdaq we buy. If USDCHF is going down, pairs like Euro USD, Odd USD, NZD are going up. Okay, thanks for the knowledge. Didn't come from me. Do you trade NZD USD? No. Also, there's just too many pairs, guys, to keep up with, So some of them I just haven't tried out. How much do you charge for signals? I don't charge for signals. Why are you avoiding my question? What's your question? A few minutes before the elections, Nasdaq will fall down like crazy. Are you sure? Do you know Queen Lady B? Yes, I know her. I was with her a few days ago. USDCHF is in deep blues. Oh, cute. Well done. So you took USDCHF or what? How do you join your Signal group? So I don't charge, guys. I don't charge. Let's not talk about all of that now. I'm not here to grab clients. I'm here to analyze with you. Hey, Nathan is in the house. Oh my God. How much do you charge? Guys, I'm not here for clients. We're here to analyze. Let's speak about questions closely related to what we just analyzed now. So I can already see Nasdaq fighting, just a little bit of patience needed, but we are good on that USDCHF. I'm also very good on gold. Yes. Let's see. We are good on gold also. Will the elections affect all currencies? Elections are very big. How can I put it? Guys, it's a very big fundamental event. So why not? If you get your technicals perfect, I swear to you, fundamentals will be lovely for you. Because I still believe that fundamentals do not move the market. The market is moved by technicals. It so happens that fundamentals push it quicker to where it needs to be. Yeah, so what is the relationship between USDCHF and Nasdaq? I never said there's a relationship. I just said if I analyze USDCHF, I know for a fact I'm not going to analyze Nasdaq. I never said there's a relationship. Also, you guys like free things. Now I must come here and spill all my beans. Come on, man. We're already looking good on everything we took. Let me show you. I gave out this signal to my students not so long ago. And I want you to see how perfect this entry is. And this is us after we analyzed. Check. We had that pullback. Immediately after that pullback, we're in. And this is obviously just my own. Oh, no, let me not show you guys this gold. I'm sorry. And gold. Can you post signals on your story? Can you post a signal? I will not post a signal on my story every week because you guys like free things. So no. Someone said Nasdaq said. A whiz. If DXY is going up, the USD pairs will win the market. Pat, what are you saying? Thank you, Nathan. Much love. Thank you, Nathan. Okay. Tell them the knowledge is money. Guys, it's not like I charge for any of my services, so no, knowledge is not money. You guys don't like to train yourselves. Read. Go onto the internet. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm about to drop my YouTube link, so I'd really appreciate it if you guys did subscribe or like or whatever the hell they do on YouTube. I'm going to be dropping, weekly analysis, just some interesting things that people can learn on Forex, because I've noticed that as mentors, sometimes we actually do forget to teach the small important things like helping our clients understand leverage, those small things, guys, that can actually help you with your trading career. It's small things like that that actually do play a very important role. How good are we looking on, what is it called? How good are we looking on USDCHF? Let me show you. It didn't move exactly where we wanted it to, but I said, is this USDCHF? Oh, cute. Okay. Yeah, guys, we're looking cute for USDCHF. USDCHF is falling. Yes. I hope we took this USDCHF together as I analyzed. Now we just patiently wait for Nasdaq. Let's see how gold is performing on the other side. My gold is looking cute. Not too far from entry, but it's moving. You see, guys, sometimes as we analyze, things don't go our way. But it's the liver of executing what you see that keeps you going. Did you also say it's for... I never said... No, I said gold. I never analyzed gold. I analyzed USDCHF. And now we patiently wait for Nasdaq. If you already dropped in those entries, patiently wait. It's not like it's just going to make its way up. You must relax a little bit. Can't wait for the YouTube channel. Gold sell or buy. Gold is definitely buying. USDCHF is definitely selling. Here for that YouTube channel. Yay, Star Girl. USDCHF is falling. Yes, guys, we're looking cute on USDCHF. Yeah, so I'm really excited about the YouTube channel. I can't wait to do the whole, hi guys, my name is Kelsey, please subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're still looking very good on USDCHF. Let's see Nasdaq. Nasdaq still playing child games. Patience. Just a little bit more patience. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys have any more forex related questions that we can maybe discuss whilst we wait for... Let me keep my mouse here so that we don't blow accounts. Any forex related questions maybe? Let's see. USDCHF. 5 minutes now. Okay. When should we expect a video there by? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know. Firstly, I have to take the video and I have to decide what content I'm going to be dropping on there. By the way, our Nasdaq is making its way to where it needs to be. Guys, if you took these signals, your ass better tag me and say thank you. Okay? Your ass better thank me. You better drop a tag there and say thank you to Kelsey for this free signal. Because clearly, if it wasn't for me, we're not going to have that execution. Yeah. If you look at the index of every currency, you can win more trades. Yes, sir. True, 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 true. Let me add more trades on this gold. So here's how I do it. If I'm certain about, I'm very good on risking. If I'm certain on a trade and it keeps going against me, guys. In fact, for example, you see, as gold pulls back to the downside, as long as it keeps going down, I'm just going to be adding my buys, so that if it does decide to spike up, I know for a fact that I'm in the game. You know, so then I don't have to add any more entries to the upside. Just a bit of patience on Nasdaq. What's the time? 12:29. Great. You guys should probably also get ready for USD finishing that pullback. Is it advised to trade today, Christmas and New Year? No, like spend time with your family, bro. Don't trade on those days, because should things go against you, you're gonna be very sad. Just spend time with your family. Yo, Kelsey, don't blow the elections. Cryptocurrency, don't worry, my man. If it blows, it blows. That's my mentality. If it blows, it blows. Rather, it blow me knowing what I'm doing than for it to blow. You know what I mean? I just missed an entry. Yes. Buy again. Buy again. See guys, you must have spindy. If you die, you die. But you need that you die mentality if you know you have enough to fund. Please. Don't now go in there and then say, if I die, I die. Because you'll die for real. And you'll watch us post our results and you'll just keep liking. And we'll even tag you. To be like, how's it going there by MT4? I've been holding it for... Who was your mentor? Where did you get all the Forex info? What usually happens here? Will Euro NZD go up? So I think Euro NZD... let me just check. Euro NZD. I think Euro NZD is supposed to go... Where does... I don't want to say this because you guys are going to get me wrong. Because you know some things you can't tell but you've experienced in the market. I think, let me check. I don't know if this thing goes opposite to USD or what the hell happens. Let's just double check. I'm not sure. Guys, I'm not about to analyze this. Nah, this thing must be selling. Yeah, gold. Well done, well done. So you see what I meant when I said I just keep going down with it so that when it comes up with me. So let's check that. Well done. So let's check that that Nasdaq we spoke of, since this one is pushing up like this. US 100. Also guys, please be smart during seasons like this. Execute and leave. Execute and leave. Take profits, put them aside, because it's a very tricky one in the market, hey? Don't now be there trying to swing a trade, because you'll cry. And we'll cry with you. We'll even tag you to ask you how it's doing there by MT4. Just a little bit more patience for Nasdaq. You see, on our zone, we're getting a lot of rejection candles. So the patient ones will win this one. Yep, we are ready with in gold. High lots, looking cute. So now I wait for it to move further. So I can start protecting my trades by putting stop losses above them. Yeah. USDCHF looking very good. I told you guys to get ready for USD. If you did listen, you're probably within already. How interesting is this, guys? Sometimes Forex can be so easy and it's actually so nice. I need one more entry for gold. Buy. Freaking hell, it moved. Come on, buy. Yes. Another buy. Buy. Come on. Okay. Cool. We already have like just a couple of entries already. I'm not gonna hold this one for long because we're holding high lots here. Holding very high lots, my friend. We're looking good. So far, so good. Just a little bit more patience. Let me also just... It's whatever happens, happens. Target for gold. Next one is... let's wait and see if it pushes to the downside. It was not trading on this past December. The market was closed. It's rough there by MT4. How bad, my friend. just gonna hold this one. If I die, I die. If guys, please stop claiming things like the dollar will go up. If the technicals say the dollar will not go up, the dollar will not go up. Doesn't matter what the news are. And this is how a lot of people fell into trap with this whole if Trump wins thing. That thing shot down like crazy and everyone was still on that mindset. Remember, we still have the existence of COVID that side. So be smart. Don't just execute like that, man. Okay, Nasdaq is rejecting that zone. It doesn't want. Yeah, no, it doesn't want. It doesn't want. I'm gonna hold me here. Oh, USDCHF, how are we looking? Very good. How proper was this entry? You see, guys, this is why I love currencies. You just put a high lot and you just freaking relax. If I die, I die. Rather, I die knowing what I'm doing than to die not knowing what I'm doing. I hope you guys caught on that. USDCHF, still fresh. What about GBPUSD? I'm not trading GBPUSD. I already have gold running. Advise Nyana, stay away from celebrations. Thank you, Anapa. Stay away. That's what I'm saying. Come in and out. I'm not saying be a scalper, but just know how to trade such events. You don't trade to be in the trade forever. You trade to make money as usual and come out. And what I also do is I never expect to make a lot of money. I don't go in with that mentality of, I'm going to make more money. Yes, there's a lot of money to be made technically, but what I make, I take and I come out. Rather, I take small profits than to blow an account. We're still looking good on gold. Also, guys, understand that currencies give each other breather patterns. Ne? They might all be moving to the same direction, but also just keep in mind that the other one waits for the other one, and then when the other one's done, it waits for the other one. What levels are you looking for on gold? Bro, I'd be lying if I said I even knew. I'm just planning to hold this thing for freaking long. Let me show you actually. Please look how many. I'm just gonna follow my guts with this one because I'm way too lazy to analyze. This one. What the hell is going on? Oh, cute. We're still looking cute for gold. Please save this live. No. Is copy trading still on? Yes. Yes, I saw that rejection on Nasdaq also. But my nigga, one thing I can tell you is it's gonna go where it needs to go. That I can guarantee you. Someone just said, let me analyze for you. Ha, come, let me add you. How do I go? How do I add you? Excuse me. I'm trying to add that person that said they want to go. Kelsey, I love you. I love you more. Where are you? I'm trying to add you. But I don't think you're here anymore. Maybe you can give us... Okay, guys, I don't know. If you want to request and share some knowledge, maybe you can. Get yourselves some followers, Nyana. You are goat. USDCHF is going down. Oh, guys, but we had this conversation. Yo, and it pushed down. Shame. It's milking. Yes, we're milking USDCHF. Let's see that stubborn one. My gold is irritating the shit out of me. But anyway, we're still good. I know USDCHF is going down nicely. I hope you guys managed to catch USD because it's still nice and early. Let me just enter USD catcher. It's nice and early. Let's say 0.20. Okay. There it goes. Lol. Gold better continue going up. Guys, I hope we took gold together. Yo. I never got this when I was still upcoming. I had to find it my way. Find it my own, I mean. You guys can just go on lives and be given free signals like this. Must be nice. No, don't buy USD CAD. Not now. Just look out for sales with USD CAD. Mrs. Masilo, no. Avoid all the buys. Ignore all the buys with USD CAD. Until you have a reason to buy. But if you have a reason to buy, babes, jump in. Buy that thing. You took a sell on gold. It's nice. I'm still holding my buys. I bet it's in the zone a lot, gold, huh? I might collect profits very soon. Yeah. Yeah, no. I follow my instincts. I don't play like that. So look at my gold entries before I close profits. I'm just gonna give it a few minutes.